It's not something we want to think about, but it could happen to you. A family member dies inside their home and you'll have to clean up. Do you know what to do or who to call?
And tonight we have a warning from a family who trusted a local business contracted by cities all across the valley.
And as Joe let you know in this exclusive story, a company is only as trustworthy as the workers they hire.
She's telling a judge her name is Deborah Claywell. Dagmar Himmler and her mother know her as Debbie, the woman sent to clean her aunt's remains when she died here alone last December.
I just can't handle it.
Police advised hiring a biohazard team.
He said that they cannot recommend a company, but that the police department has a contract with a company, Clean Scene.
Clean Scene Arizona. The website says it has decontamination service contracts with Valley Fire and Police departments. Dagmar contacted owner Frances Viercotter.
She said, we're a licensed and bonded company. All of our employees go through an extensive background check.
Dagmar couldn't be there, but says she gave instructions that belongings outside the room not be touched. Instead, she was sent pictures of workers all over the house.
Why was Debbie in my aunt's bedroom?
Within days, her aunt's car was stolen and her credit cards missing. $641 at Walmart, $313 at Fry's.
How much money? Hundreds of dollars?
Thousands. I think about $5,000, $6,000 so far that we know of. There was clothes in there, the jewelry, drawers that are in there were all empty, the safe was open.
And she says Clean Scene owner Frances Viercotter took no responsibility, blaming outsiders.
After we leave, the houses get robbed.
Dagmar didn't buy it. She called police and filed a complaint with the Arizona Attorney General.
Hi, Francis. It's Joe Ducey with ABC 15.
We went to Clean Scene's owner Frances Viercotter for answers.
Well, according to Debbie, there were no valuables.
Debbie, the same Clean Scene worker we saw earlier, who police say was in possession of the aunt's stolen credit cards. Yet Viercotter admits Debbie continued working at Clean Scene.
Why would you not keep her out of the business with the possibility she could do the same thing to other people?
Has she been found guilty?
She was arrested.
Has she been found guilty?
No, not guilty yet, but police reports show Debbie was on surveillance video making all of the purchases while wearing her Clean Scene t-shirt and driving the company van.
Well, I asked Deborah.
And she said?
No.
Viercotter says 7-year background checks are standard, and Debbie showed nothing. We found before that she'd been arrested several times, from drugs to child abuse to traffic violations. Something else, Dagmar says 2 other workers were in her aunt's house. Viercotter told the Attorney General's office they'd worked with Debbie before. But here she says,
we were told they were just picked up for the day and put shirts on and they were suddenly Clean Scene workers.
I had no knowledge of those people.
So there were people you didn't know about?
Yeah, there were people that I did not know about.
Who were picked up by Deborah?
Yes.
And put in the house
Yes.
to work?
But I was not aware of that until after the fact.
Okay.
The whole thing has been too much for Dagmar and her mom.
I called up 3 times a day because I can't put my mind around it.
Look, tell me a little bit about your sister, if you can, because she was a special...
Yeah, the stolen car was found at a motel. Debbie has not been charged with that. Clean Scene's attorney says they've never had a problem before. Debbie has been fired, and the family was offered a full refund. Both happened in the last couple of weeks after we got involved. Dagmar did not take the refund. Really, more than money, she's concerned mostly about these workers being allowed into homes still with these past histories and with these city contracts that the business has.
Yeah, and whoever these other 2 guys are, too. I mean, who knows who they are?
Just coming into the house, possibly with T-shirts on,
Yeah, there's so much evidence there, too, that points that this is not okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Joe, thank you.
Sure.